Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is actually a fantasy casting by Hotwheels. It is called Supercharged, and I personally bought this because the I loved the color scheme. That's the only reason, not because of the car exactly. So it looked really bright and it looked really like I mean beautiful. So I do like this color combination. So I bought it. So this they mentioned as a EV car. I mean Hot Wheels EV. So I think this is based out of that funny Mustang. I think we did unbox this long back. So okay, I bought this for 179, which is the MRP, and it has some gimmick here. You can actually lift the splitter up a little bit. So actually, the purpose of this is it is supposed to perform well on the track. Once you lift this up. So let's open this and see how this one looks. Even I'm also a bit curious on this one. So some guys are actually asking me over comments, that to mention the price range whenever I'm unboxing. I'm actually doing that for every video. I'm not sure whether you guys are actually watching the video or just fast forwarding it. So like 95% of the time, I usually mention the price range. Maybe for castings like mini GT or pop race something, if I'm not really sure or if I don't remember at that point of time, maybe because I might have bought that a long time back, and I know I might have unboxed that you know a later point in time. So those kind of things I might not remember, but rest of the things, if it is more specifically Hot Wheels, Matchbox, Majorette, Tomica, these kind of things, I usually mention the price range for every range, like whether it's a mainline or it's a premium, whatever it is. Okay, so with that said, let's talk about this casting now. Okay, so out of the box, this casting looks absolutely gorgeous, and you can see the engine detailing here. Man, that looks amazing. I don't know why Mattel is not putting this effort into an actual car. I mean, actual a casting based on actual car. That's what I'm supposed to say. So, or meant to say. Okay. So in the card, actually, it had some kind of headlights here painted on, but yeah, it actually has some headlights painted on here. Let me just show that to you guys. One second. Just kept it in the bottom. You can see here, but here it is nothing. So that is the level of detailing we are getting from Mattel now. So just a small paint job, I don't know why they are missing that out as well. Okay, but regardless, the rest of the casting looks absolutely beautiful. So it does mention a supercharged here. I was expecting this to be having that Mustang chassis, but I don't know, maybe it's a little bit different than that. I'm not remembering that as of now, but I think so. Okay, so it has acrylics here for this entire piece from the engine hood, which is the part which is surrounding the engine hood till, this cockpit and all, the spoilers and everything, until the part here, which is, where the tail light ends up. So it does look like it has an exhaust here. I'm not sure what they're trying to showcase here. It is a EV, but I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. But because I never saw any exhaust in EVs, because EVs doesn't have any exhaust. Okay, this does looks really funny. It has Moon Eyes logo here, but up close you can see some irregularities in the paint job on both sides actually. The casting does feel a little bit heavy. It does have some paint bubbling here. So I literally bought this for the color scheme, but it does look really good from this angle if you just look at it. And this is the part I was talking about. See, so it has some kind of latch here. So once you push this up, that will go and sit here like this. It has the satisfying click to it. So you can just pull it down again with a little bit of force. Yeah, it will come down. But we are going to test this with both down and up. But before that, let's do a weight. Let's weigh this casting. So maybe around 35-36 grams, I'm hoping. Let's see. Yeah, 36 grams, very close. Okay. And okay, so this is actually very lengthy casting. So let's do a roll test with this splitter down now. Okay, it does roll really well. Yeah. Okay, let's put the splitter up now. Let's see what's the difference. Okay, it doesn't roll really well compared to maybe equal. Okay, so what I'm thinking is this might be the reason. You can actually use this on tracks like the the looped ones. Maybe loop de loop you can call it if you want. It has this loops. The car goes like this. So for those kind of tracks, this car is going to be really good because this is not going to touch the bottom part of the loop while it is going like this. So that's the whole purpose of it. Let me just put it back here. Yeah. But apart from that, the casting looks really good. But if you are a fan of fantasy casting and if you want a good casting, my suggestion is this one because this looks really good. It does remind me of the funny Mustang which we unboxed some time back. It has good detailing to it, even though it doesn't have headlights or tail lights here. I mean, tail light, it has acrylic, but I don't know if it is actually a tail light or something, being a fantasy casting. But overall, the casting looks really beautiful. So if you want to buy a fantasy casting in this case, as of now my recommendation is this one because rest of things even I'm also yet to unbox. So this is my first suggestion if you are picking a fantasy casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.